Ah, damn, this chair is squeaky. Yo, what is up, guys? It is CRPHD back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about my defective Astro and just the whole situation. Let's jump into it. I feel like it was my responsibility to make this video, considering the fact that I made a pretty positive review over Astro. And with that being said, I still stand by everything that I said. I really think Astro is one of the coolest pieces of tech that I currently have at the moment, and that I get a lot of value from the features that he provides. But with that being said, that still does not take away from the issues, like I'm gonna dive into here in a second, that Astro has just recently started displaying, actually. But enough of my rambling. First problem that I've been having: Astro has not been docking like at all. He just looks so confused. He'll run into my table. Second thing, he's making these really weird internal noises like at night. That's actually the first thing that I noticed. He was still operating like perfectly fine. I would look over and, just like ask him to do a simple command, cut on the lights, maybe go to the kitchen, and he would do it just fine. But then as soon as he would get back docked, or he would like be still, there's this weird noise going on. So I don't know. 3, his screen, like, it is stiff as a board. And he's also been showing this weird prompt, basically saying, acknowledging like the screen is stuck, please call the customer service line, yada, yada, yada. So I also did some more digging around because I was curious on what some of the other Amazon Astro owners were possibly experiencing. Just basically kind of asking ChatGPT and going through just different things on Reddit.
Here are the top 5 common issues that some Amazon Astro owners have reported. 1, error messages. 2, movement problems, jerky or
I have noticed that. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
No worries at all. 3, docking difficulties. 4, connectivity issues. 5, motor and sound problems. Some owners have reported unusual noises or motor issues causing the robot to malfunction.
I haven't had any Wi-Fi connection issues. I can still unmute him. Astro, what time is it?
The time is 6:27 a.m.
And he can still control all the lights, answer questions, things like that. The whole gist is he needs to be able to get around, move, operate without running into things, and most importantly, make it back to the charger. Please feel free, if you've noticed anything different besides the top 5 things that just were listed here, to drop them down in the comments below. Maybe someone had a similar problem like you're having and maybe found a fix to it without having to ship their whole thing back. But now jumping into the next thing, which is basically the conversation with the representative that I had. And if you're curious about how you pull that number up in the Astro app, there's a little section right here that you can tap, provide contact information so we can call you back immediately. So that was very cool. Just the fact that there's no waiting around. If you do have a problem, you can try and get it acknowledged and taken care of very quickly. But how that conversation went, I just basically repeated all the same things that I mentioned to you guys earlier. She put me on a brief hold, got back to me, said the unit was defective, and basically shipped out his replacement. So now, that should be the end of the story. Happy ending. I got my replacement device, and then, of course, I'm going to send this Astro back. But the thing is, this isn't always the happy ending that people usually get, at least not as fast as I got it. There has been people online that have made comments about Astro in particular, basically saying that some of these replacement units that Amazon sends out, like the one that I got here, they're out of stock. So that sucks, because essentially you just have in some cases, brick device that just can't be used. You just have to wait until they either make some more or just get like the device that I'm about to send back in, fix it. That sucks. I really don't know what to say, because I'll be mad, because these devices are not cheap. A lot of people spent a pretty substantial amount of money on this product, and for you to not be able to get a replacement in the case that something goes wrong is definitely very frustrating. So I am incredibly grateful for the fact that they did have some in stock, but yeah, it's just not always going to be, or it hasn't always been this happy of an ending for some people. The representative did make it clear that this unit will not come with a charger. It's basically just a literal Astro swap. So yeah, we're just gonna unbox it and see how it goes. Hopefully this one works a little bit longer than this one did. A lot longer. Here, you can watch your new self get unboxed. A box in a box. Great. There are some instructions on the box, or instructions on the side. Cool. That's you, buddy. So, just something to mention, you do want to keep all of this packaging because you're going to need to send your defective unit back. I hope that I don't have to go through and recreate and let him examine the whole space again, because in my apartment in particular, it was very finicky getting that mat to work, and because this is a studio apartment, so setting up the rooms or it was really breaking down a room into segments, if that makes sense, which is really tricky. So I'm hoping I don't have to go through that again. If I do, so be it. But either way, I want to thank you guys as always for watching. Hopefully, this video helped in some way, shape, or form, or just at least serve some acknowledgement, just so you guys know that I am as well having this problem, and that there is an option out there. I didn't even mention this, free of charge. I send this unit back and, I got basically a brand new Astro. So that's a pro of it. And I'm hoping the same thing for all you guys out there for any problems that you are experiencing, or that they at least get fixed. And yeah, be sure and like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more. And if you have any helpful information at all, please drop it down in the comments below. It may do someone a solid. But thank you guys as always for watching. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more. And be sure and stay tuned because the next video is right around the corner. Peace.